Hey everyone, I'm Sofia, and today I'm going to show you how to use Bombay Hair's Halo hair extensions. We'll be going over everything from picking your perfect color to attaching and blending them seamlessly. If you want to add length and volume to your hair in minutes without having to attach multiple wefts, this Halo is for you. The key to a natural look is picking a shade that matches your hair perfectly. We always recommend submitting an online color match on our website. It makes a huge difference. All you have to do is take a photo of your hair in natural light by a window, front and back, and upload them. You can also order a color swatch online if you want to see the color in person before purchasing our set. Bombay Hair currently has two length options for their Halo clip, 18 inches and 20 inches. Based on your current hair length and what you want to achieve with your extension, you can choose accordingly. Everyday length and volume, we recommend the 18-inch set. Now let's get into styling my Ombre Beige Blonde 20-inch Halo. Once you receive your Halo, here's everything you'll find in your Halo set. The Halo weft, which is made of 100% high-quality human hair. And look how thick the Halo is from the root to the tip. This will ensure that there's no string showing through. 2 additional 4-inch wefts to blend side pieces. 4 different sizes of stretchy Halo wires, perfect for different head sizes. And extra clips and threads if you want sew-ins for that extra security. Bombay Hair actually gives you 4 different sized wires because everyone's head shape and size is a little different. The key is to pick the one that feels the most secure. And of course, comfortable on your head. When you try each wire, check how it fits on the sides and the crown. It shouldn't slip, but it also shouldn't feel tight or uncomfortable. As you can see, the Halo wires are pretty stretchy. So if you're in between 2 sides, go for the smaller one. Because most Halos are adjustable and can be fine-tuned for the perfect fit. A wire that fits well not only stays in place all day, but also makes styling and blending your Halo extensions so much easier. Now for the fun part, attaching your Halo wire. Once you've chosen the wire that fits best, it's time to attach it to the weft. Start by threading the wire into the first opening, just like that. Then check how snug it feels. If the wire feels a bit loose, attach it for the furthest weft on the nook to secure it. If it feels just right, attach it to the closest nook. The little adjustment makes your Halo sit perfectly and stay in place all day. Now let's get your Halo extensions on. First, brush through all your hair to make sure there are no tangles. This will make blending so much easier. Then use a teasing comb to section your hair at the crown. This gives the Halo a nice secure base to sit on. Next, place the Halo around your head like a headband. Make sure the weft sits evenly across the back. Bombay Hair Halos also come with small clips on the weft for extra grasp, making sure it stays secure all day. Halo should comfortably sit around the crown of your head. Once you find your perfect size, you can release the top section of the Halo. If you want a bit more volume and coverage on the sides, our Halo comes with 2 small side pieces you can attach for a fuller, seamless look. Once everything is in place, release that top section just like I did, and you're ready to style. Blending is what makes the Halo look natural. Use a comb or a brush and gently merge your hair with the weft. You can style straight, curl, or even leave it natural like I am right now. For extra volume, gently tease your crown, or you can add a bit of texturizing spray. This makes your Halo look like it's growing right out of your head. Since the hair is 100% human hair, you're free to use heat on your hair when styling. Just don't forget to use a heat protection. I'm going to quickly straighten my hair, of course using Bombay's Hair's rolled gold flat iron, and show you how it looks all styled. And here is the finished result. Your complete guide to Bombay Hair's Halo extensions. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hair tips and tutorials. Comment below if you've tried Halos or if you want a styling tutorial next. I'd love to see your looks.